Welcome back everyone. This is the last video of our Forex beginner course. If you're new to Forex trading, one of the best ways to kickstart your journey is by opening a demo account. In this video, we'll explore the reasons why practicing with a demo account is essential before you start trading real money in the Forex market. Risk-free learning. Demo accounts provide a risk-free environment to learn each and every concept of Forex trading. As no one is a pro trader by birth, everyone gets expertise in trading through learning and practice. You can make mistakes and learn from them without any financial loss. Real market conditions. The market conditions for demo accounts are exactly the same as they are for real accounts, making them ideal for practicing your strategies. You'll have access to real-time price data, charts and trading tools, allowing you to gain practical experience. Test trading strategies. Everyone has their own point of view on things. You could practice your trading strategies on a demo account. Test various approaches, from technical analysis to fundamental analysis, to find what works best for you. Familiarize yourself with trading platforms. Get comfortable with the trading platform you plan to use. This helps you navigate through order execution, chart analysis, and risk management tools. You could explore the whole platform and provide services as well. Gain confidence. Building confidence is crucial in trading. Demo trading helps you get used to the emotional aspects of trading without the stress of losing real money. Once you have gained confidence to trade using a demo account, you can move on to a real account. Develop discipline. Trading discipline is key to success. A demo account allows you to develop discipline in setting stop-loss orders, managing risk, sticking to your trading plan, and converting your weak points into your strengths. Explore different currency pairs. Experiment with different currency pairs to find the ones that align with your trading style. Get an understanding of their characteristics and price movements in the market due to external factors. Track progress. Keep a trading journal while practicing on a demo account. This journal helps you track your progress, analyze your decisions, and make improvements. You could improve yourself by understanding the reason for your failure. Avoid costly mistakes. A lot of beginners rush into live trading without adequate preparation, which can lead to significant losses. A demo account helps you avoid these costly mistakes, as you are practicing with dubious money instead of investing real money. Transition to live trading. When you're consistently profitable in your demo account and feel confident, you can transition to live trading with a better understanding of the market. Chances of losses will automatically going to decrease by this. In conclusion, opening a demo account is a crucial step for anyone starting their Forex trading journey. It's your risk-free practice ground where you can enhance your skills, test strategies, and build the confidence needed to succeed in the real market. So, take the time to practice, learn, and grow as a trader. Follow our social media platforms by clicking on the I button or the link given below to stay tuned with us, and remember to subscribe for more valuable Forex trading insights.